Do you wanna hide your online status on WhatsApp? Then keep watching the video till the end. Follow the simple steps that I'm showing here in this video. So at the very first step, look at the top right corner. Here is a three-dot icon. Just click there and now scroll down a little bit and click on settings. Now click on the second option, privacy. Now click on the first option, last seen and online. So if you want to hide your online status, first you have to do some settings under this last seen section. Then only you'll be able to hide your online status. Okay? Here in my WhatsApp, everyone is selected. But if you want to hide your online status, you have to select nobody. So I've selected nobody. And now look at the second section. See here also everyone is selected. But you have to select same as last seen. Now if you select the same as last seen option, whatever settings you did under this last seen section will be applied to your online status too. Okay, now go back, and that was the settings you need to do to hide your online status on WhatsApp. If you found the video a little bit helpful, then hit a like, and if you want to watch some more this kind of helpful videos, then do subscribe to the channel. And if you are watching us on Facebook, then do follow the page right now. So see you soon next with another helpful video. Till then, thank you, bye bye.